Welcome back to PK Gardening. In the previous video, I told you to snip or cut the side shoots in the dragon fruit plant growth phase so that the stem is sturdy like this one. You can see the stem is sturdy and healthy. In this video, we'll do an even tougher task. As monsoon arrived, this plant exploded with flower buds. You can see there are so many flower buds here and there. This dragon fruit plant is about 4 to 5 years old. And this was a birthday present by the way that my sister gave me. It started fruiting after 2 years. Now, what today we're going to do is we'll snip the flower buds that are too close. And let me be very clear. Our aim is to have healthy dragon fruits from that flower buds and not having too many flower buds because we're growing for the fruits and not for the flowers, isn't it? Though the flowers are very intimidating. But let's focus on the fruits. You can see that I'm chopping up the flower buds. See, the plants require energy to give new flowers. In simple words, more flowers meaning more energy it's spending on the flower buds, snipping excess flower buds on a dragon fruit. Plant is a highly beneficial practice, known as bud thinning, while gardeners and commercial farmers selectively prune the buds. There are various reasons for this. It's because leaving too many buds on a single branch forces the plant to spread its energy too thin, resulting in small, poor quality fruit or sudden abortion. If a single stem tries to support 5 or 6 buds, the resulting fruits will be tiny and less sweet. Reducing the count to 1 or 2 buds per branch redirects all the plant's sugars into making those remaining fruits significantly larger and more flavorful. When a plant realizes it cannot sustain a massive heavy load, it will experience stress and naturally drop its buds. So by taking control and snipping them early, you'll prevent the plant from wasting vital energy trying to grow. Fruit that will eventually abort anyway. Also, you can differentiate between flower bud and a new shoot growth. The buds look more pinkish, while new shoot growth look more greenish-brownish. Mature dragon fruit flowers and full-sized fruits are incredibly heavy. Excessive fruit on a single draping branch can cause the stem to snap off the trellis or pull down parts of your supportive structure. So, bud thinning reduces weight and structural stress. Leave those buds where there are only 1 or 2 buds. So, snip off the excess. Smaller or overcrowded buds directly at the node base to get good fruiting. Hope you found this video helpful. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more gardening tips. Like, share, and please comment if you have any doubts regarding gardening.